So before going to the session, I want to introduce myself. My name is Gnana Pawan Kumar. I'm having total 17 years of experience. In that total 5 years into banking domain and 12 years into human capital management domain. Okay. I worked in Capgemini. I worked in HSBC, Wells Fargo, ADP, and then Oracle. Okay. So last 10 years, almost from release 6, Oracle HCM Cloud, or means Oracle Fusion Cloud release 6, I am working in Oracle. Okay. In multiple multiple teams, multiple modules. Okay, right now I'm giving training morning 1 batch and evening 2 batches. So this is a this is another batch I'm adding, either depend upon your timings. Either it could be morning or evening based upon majority of the people. Okay. So this is about me and my professional introduction. And coming to my educational background. I'm a JNTU, I have passed out engineering in 2007 from JNTU Kakinada University Campus College. My MSET rank is 1301. My All India rank AEEE in 2003 is 1323 and straight rank is 426. So I'm a computer science graduate, passed out in 2007. Okay. So this is my educational background, and I already explained my professional background. I worked in multiple MNCs and working in Oracle. Okay. So at this point of time, I'm having almost 17 years of experience, and relevant to Oracle HCM is around 10 plus. If you consider HCM domain, I worked in ADP. So the total domain experience into human capital management is 12 plus. Okay. So this is about myself. So now we will go. First of all, we will see why anyone has to move from existing domain or existing career to Oracle HCM. So that is the first fundamental question, right? So you are investing time, money, and effort. First of all, the question starts from why. Okay, why we have to change, and who is the eligible persons, Okay, so these are the things I have covered here. And first of all, the why question. So why I have to choose my career as ERP? Okay. So first and foremost thing here is it is completely zero coding. So there won't be any kind of coding in the functionals. On Oracle HCM functional, there won't be any kind of coding, and even in technical also. In terms of fast formulas, there would be little bit coding, very little bit. We don't consider it as I'm a software engineer. I'm having almost 17 years of experience. We should not consider it as a coding. It is just little bit expression builder. I'll call it as an expression builder only. Okay. Okay. It's just an expression builder. Fast formulas are very simple and very easy, and it's just an expression builder. You have to understand the simple mathematics and simple English. That's it. Okay. So completely zero coding, and even technical aspects also, you have to just drag and drop. You have to just drag and drop and build the data models. So there is nothing like hard and anything hard here. So completely zero coding applications. Okay. It is completely zero coding applications. So these most of the people in the next 5 years, so most of the jobs, millions of jobs are going to be affected because of artificial intelligence. And those large language models primarily built to replace coding, 90% of the coding. Even recent interviews, Salesforce company CEO Mark Bernoff and Facebook means Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, they are saying that in the next after 2030, they are not going to hire any kind of engineers because there is no that much requirement. Means next 5 years, there won't be any kind of coding with Java, Python, .NET, something. There won't be any coding. System will code itself. So, but here, as there is no coding application, means it completely has to be done by manually. means people has to do these applications. So this completely ERP means business related. So ERP applications means completely business related applications, and you have to understand the business. You have to understand the business. That is the key important aspect. If you don't understand the business, you cannot create the, or you cannot configure the applications. So at the same time, this is one of the advantage for us as a humans, because artificial intelligence is poor at understanding the business and configuring the setups. So those large language models for artificial intelligence primarily built to write the code, to write the coding and all, but they are not built for replacing the ERP, enterprise resource planning. So our jobs will be safe. Our jobs will be safe even with artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence can never replace Oracle ERP HCM applications or Oracle HCM Cloud applications. So this is one of the important advantage by learning Oracle HCM Cloud applications. Artificial intelligence can never replace this job in next 10 years. I'll guarantee on that. So, but if you learn any other coding jobs, nobody gives any kind of guarantee. So let it be testing or automation or Java, Python, or whatever it is. So this is primarily for the next 20 years. When you are learning something in Oracle, that is proprietary, this software is a proprietary software, you are learning, and your career would be for the next 20 years. Okay, your career would be for the next 20 years. So here, analytical skills are required. Okay, and compared to programming languages, here heavy coding is required, and analytical skills are required for both of them. Logical skills are not that much required, as we are not doing any kind of coding here. We are not doing any kind of coding, so that much logical is not required. So here, if you go for any kind of programming languages, you require highly logical skills. You have to be, you should be very, you should have very, you should have a very logical skills. You should have high logical skills. Okay. So primarily here, Oracle, you need to remember the navigations. You need to remember the task names. So for one business requirement, how will you solve the particular business requirement is you have to remember the task name. Oracle, everything is built here. Already Oracle has built everything. It is just like a puzzle. Oracle has built the software. Oracle is the primary owner, which has already built the software. Only we have to use the software and we have to configure the application, means configure the software according to client requirements. So here we don't have to develop the software. So that is a primary difference. So here that's why we will call it as an implementation consultant. Okay. Here what we will call implementation consultant. Here they will call it as a developer. Means they have to develop from the scratch. They have to develop from the scratch. But here we don't have to develop anything. Already Oracle has developed this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Only we need to implement this application according to client requirement. So presentation and documentation skills are required. So here you need to have a proper presentation skills and proper documentation skills are required. For a developer, it's not that much mandatory. And one more thing here is you need to have a customer facing skills. Means you need to have a proper English. You need to have proper communication skills to face the customer. That is one of the important key aspects. And definitely you will have a lot of on-site opportunities are there. Why? Why we will have a lot of on-site opportunities here? Because you need to work with the client in the client office to gather the requirements. Most of the clients, they are a little bit sensitive. So they don't want to share all the information directly to the vendor. So they will ask us to come to the client office, and only within their premises only you have to work. So those kind of requirements or those kind of information, they will not share outside the office. So you have to go to the client office and you have to work in the client locations. So that's why you will get a lot of on-site opportunities. So there are so many on-site opportunities are there in Middle East, UK, US, Canada, Singapore. There are so many on-site opportunities are there. So there is one particular product is called as a payroll. There are one particular product called payroll is there. If you master only one product, payroll, there are 14 different localizations are there. There are 14 different localizations are there, and you can go to any of the localizations and you can work. Localization means country. 14 different countries. Payroll is running here. So highly paying skill. This is a highly paying skill because there are very limited resources in the market. At the same time, you need to be certified. Most of the training institutes will say that, okay, certification is not required, but I would recommend after completion of the training, after 6 months or at least after 6 to 9 months. So better to certify at least 1 or 2 certifications, means 1 or 2 products. Okay. And so here, once you learn this particular course, so you don't have to change here and there for the next 20 years. So once you get the job, so whether you get low package or high package, once you get the job, you go into the job. So once for the next 20 years, you don't have to change here and there, like any other technologies. If you go to testing or if you go to development or if you go to any other thing, again, we don't know when the job they will remove. When they will remove the job, we don't know because it's all artificial intelligence are changing the landscape. Everything is being changed by the artificial intelligence. Okay. So nobody is at this point of time, nobody is able to guess what will happen in the near future. So, but here, artificial intelligence can't able to touch these applications also. Why? Can anybody tell me why artificial intelligence can't able to touch these applications? Because it's Oracle proprietary software. It is not like open source like Java, Python, Android, or something like that. It's not open source. So this is Oracle proprietary software. Suppose if tomorrow artificial intelligence replaces this application, who is the first loser? Who is the first loser? We are not the losers as a job holder. Oracle is the loser. It will lose billions of dollars. So everybody understood? So that's why Oracle will not give its proprietary software for accessing for any kind of artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or anything, or Google Gemini, ChatGPT, or Perplexity, or any artificial intelligence. They will not give the access. So they cannot see what's inside this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Maybe to some extent, what is Oracle is providing in the documentation. Suppose Oracle will provide you the documentation, right? It's open documentation. So this will be having access to this documentation will have access to the artificial intelligence. Okay, only this particular documentation only they will be having the access because this is open source. Oracle is providing for everybody to understand the product. So this documentation, artificial intelligence will use for the training. Okay, but 100% they will not give the accurate information. So they will go through these documentations. They will train this artificial intelligence with this documentation and to provide some of the answers. But we should, as a human only, he has to understand the requirement and he has to configure the product. Only artificial intelligence can help you to some extent only. But they cannot, 100% they cannot replace the job. Okay. So lowest competition. Because if you go to any of the jobs, for one job, there would be around 2,000 employees, 2,000 people are competing for the same job. Here we are having very lowest competition. Here we are having very lowest competition. I'll show you one recent one. Recently, Tata Consultancy Services. See this one. So Oracle HCM. So Oracle HCM consultant for 8 years of experience, they are giving for 8 to 13, they are giving 16 to 31 lakhs of package. Recently, they have released for 8 to 13 years of experience. There are 20 opening positions are there. Everybody are able to see this one?
Yes.
Please some of,
Yes, sir.
some of you respond. Okay. So for 20 open positions, how many applicants are there?
100 plus applications.
Only 100 people are there. 20 jobs are there and 100 people are applied to so far. And here, what they're asking, the relevant experience is only 3 years. So should be graduated with minimum 3 years of relevant IT experience post qualification. So they are asking overall 8 to 13, but the relevant experience is only they are asking 3 years only. So if you are having a relevant 3 years of experience in Oracle HCM, that would be more than enough for to apply this job. Or 4 years also, they are ready to take you because nobody is there. That's why they are saying that relevant 3 years of relevant IT experience in this particular applications. So if you see here 20 open positions, 100 means for one job, how many people are competing? 5 people are competing. And that too in TCS. So Oracle HCM consultant, Infosys. So 5 to 9 years. Okay, applicants 27. Only 27. Have you ever seen applicants only 27 in anywhere for any job? Okay, we will see Java lead. Okay, for 5 to 9 years, Oracle HCM, 27 applicants are applied. Okay. Okay, and these are the customers, Oracle customers. We will see that one later. And students can join the training. So from my side, what I'm offering for you. So students, they can join the training and they can repeat the course. They can repeat the course. I'm writing here. Until they got the job without paying any fee. Means I'm charging, so they can repeat the course without paying any fee. Only once they have to pay the fee. Okay, they don't have to pay multiple times. Only once per lifetime. Once per lifetime, they have to pay the fees. They don't have to pay any other things. So in that one, what you will get? Okay, we will conduct online written test. So I'll show you how we will conduct online written test. So this is our app, Class Plus app we have taken. It's costly one. I have taken the subscription and I am every day I'll post all my videos in this one. Okay. So test portal. Suppose let us take this one. March 10th batch. So 75, more than 75 hours of almost, it is showing 75 classes, but it is having more than 100 hours of, at least 80 to 90 hours of videos. Okay. So every video you can go through this one. So you can go through like this. Okay. So I'll give you access once you pay the fee for this content. So test portal, how we will conduct the exams. So we will conduct the exams once at least global HR module minimum 80% completed. We will start conducting the exams. So this is how we will conduct the exams, online exam. Okay. You see here, test status. So these are the people who got the leaderboard position. So out of 100, 88. And also there will be having negative marking. So here people got less marks because I have kept negative marking. I'll show you that there is a negative marking. Actually, she got 92 marks. But because of negative marking, for one negative answer, I have detected -2 marks. So she kept 2 wrong answers. So -4 marks gone. and she, for 2 marks, another 8 marks gone. For one question, 4 marks. So total 12 marks gone. So she got 88. You see here, view solutions. So these are the questions. I'll conduct exams like this. These are the questions. You have to write the answer. You have to select the answers. Okay. Sometimes easy would be there, hard would be there. Okay. If you go to this one, the question is very hard. The difficulty level is hard. Difficulty level is hard. So difficulty level is hard. But still some people will answer the questions based upon your preparation. Okay. So this is the questions. Every exam we will have 25 questions would be there. Each question carries 4 marks. Total 100 marks would be there. And each question, negative marking is also there, minus 2 marks. And if you don't attempt also, minus 1 mark. Okay. So examinations would be very tough, so that you will be preparing for the interviews. So let us take if interview. This is an interview question. What are the different approval types are there in Oracle HCM Cloud? What are the different approval types are there? So application role, approval groups, management hierarchy, position hierarchy, representative, self-auto approve, and user. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to remember and you have to by heart. That's it. There is nothing like, there is no logic here. You have to remember. You have to practice and you have to remember. So this is an interview question. All these interview questions I'll ask in the exams, so that you will understand and you will answer the questions in the interview. So this is how we will conduct the exams. Okay. So this is the previous exam. So people got 80, 95, something like that. Some people got less marks also. It's all about how they do the hard work. Okay. So with this, you will understand, okay, how people are getting, how other people are getting marks and how I am getting the marks. And you will also have a proper clarity and I will also have a proper clarity. Okay. And if anybody, okay, if anyone having more than 70%, consistently, if they get more than 70% above marks, so I'll provide you the server. So this is called as server. I'll provide you the server for lifetime access for free of cost. Generally, I'll provide the server for 1 year, including in the fees only. We don't have to pay extra. This is called as Oracle demo servers. So this replica, there is no difference. It's exactly replica of production. How the Oracle customers will use. It's a completely replica. Oracle will provide us for the training purposes. So I have to purchase and I have to give to my students. I have to purchase and I have to give to my students. So everybody will give, I'll give access for every of my student for 12 months. For 12 months, you will be getting access to this application. And if you are getting more than 70% consistently in every exam, okay, everybody understood, right? If you are getting consistently in every exam, I'll give you for lifetime free access. Okay, even after getting the job also, if you want to do any kind of practice, because you cannot do any kind of practice with your applications in the company, because they will be restricting. We cannot access their application outside the company because of the VPN or something like that. So here I will provide you for lifetime access for your free of cost. But you should get more than 70% marks in every exam consistently. Okay. So this is about the basic introduction. Okay. Students can repeat the course until they understood the concepts or they got placed. So I don't take any other fees if they are repeating the course. You can join in any of the batch. I'll inform the next batch. You can join and you can repeat the complete course, or you can repeat the classes, or you can repeat the modules, whichever you are feeling a little bit doubt or a little bit weak. Okay. This is about why you want to change your career from existing one to Oracle HCM Cloud applications. Okay. So here we will give a 2 to 3 minutes break. If anybody is having any doubts, you can ask me.
So I have a question here.
Yeah, you please ask.
So how is Oracle different from SAP or Workday HCM?
Yeah, Oracle is the leader actually. So I'll show you that. Okay. So this is our medium. This completely notes. All the notes will be prepared here. Everyday classes notes will be prepared here and updated here. And all these videos will be updated here. So you can go through the videos in my course and you can go through my class notes here. So every notes, each and every notes will be updated here. Almost all the class notes will be updated here. And one more thing here is I'll give you everyday assignments. I'll give you everyday assignments and I'll track the assignments. So these are all my students. Okay, every day I'll give you the assignments. Okay, let us take he's my student. So till 30th July 30th, he has done the assignments. Okay, every day I'll track whether he's doing the assignments or not. If he's not doing the assignments, I'll ask him why you have not done the assignment. Okay, just I'll show you yesterday. One of my student has not done the assignment. So I'll ping him. I've pinged him. Just now he has kept like this. He has not done the assignment. I have pinged him. Hi Narayan. You are not doing any assignments in the last 10 days. Last 10 days, he's not doing the assignments. I have personally pinged him. Why you are not doing the assignments? He has replied. I have taken the screenshots. I'll upload them. At 9:45, I have replied again. Okay. So tomorrow, Monday, I'll again cross-check his assignments. I'll again, if the particular person is not doing, again I'll cross-check his assignments. If he is not doing, I'll give a proper warning. Okay, if you're not doing that one, please after completion of the course, please don't come to me for the help, for any kind of help. Okay, if you do the assignments properly only, then only come to me for any kind of help. So if you don't do the assignments, okay, I'll tell you upfront only we are not doing the assignments. If you are doing the assignments, okay, if somebody is doing the assignments, okay. Iti, she is also my student. Every day she will do the assignment with all the screenshots, all the every proper screenshots and all. Okay. And if people are doing like this, if tomorrow if they come to me saying that sir, I am not getting some doubt, I am not getting something, just I can help them because at least they will try something and they got stuck in somewhere. I can help those people because their hard work is showing here. So in this approach, I'll track each and every person's progress, hard work. Then only I'll help them. Otherwise, if students don't do any kind of hard work, so I cannot spend that much time to the particular persons. It's completely what you call reciprocal. If you do the hard work and come to me, if you have any doubts, I'll definitely there to help you. Okay. So every person has to create this particular blog and they have to update the assignments every day. Okay. So this is one of the approach I'm following for the daily tracking for the assignments. Okay. So this is the number one. So you have asked me one doubt, right? So why Oracle? Why not SAP and all? So if you check,
Yeah.
this is a Gartner report, 2024, last year, last August. Means this month again we will get the Gartner report, and we will get who are the leaders. So who is the leader? Oracle is the leader. Magic quadrant for cloud HCM suits for employees more than 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus employee enterprises. Who is the leader? Leader of HCM? Oracle. In the second position, Workday. Third position, SAP. Fourth position, Dayforce. So this is the pattern. Let us see, we got 2025 also. I think we didn't get as of now. So till 2024, Oracle is a leader. Okay, Oracle is a leader in Oracle HCM quadrant. So what SAP is saying, SAP recognized by the Gartner. Or what Oracle is saying, Oracle named as a leader. So that is the difference. Okay. So even Workday is also same. These are also leader quadrant, but Workday is not on the number one. So these are all they are positioning. They are saying that as the highest, but it's clearly showing right. It's a top. So in the last one it's showing is Oracle only. After Oracle, there is no any other company. Okay, in terms of visionary, in terms of completion, complete ability to execute. So Oracle is the top. So anyway, Workday and Oracle is head to head. So definitely there is a competition between Oracle and Workday. And definitely it's one of the important question why you have to learn Oracle HCM Cloud. Okay. So Oracle HCM Cloud is a part of Oracle Fusion Cloud. So Oracle HCM Cloud is a part of Oracle Fusion Cloud. Means Oracle supply chain cloud, Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion Financials, okay, and Oracle Enterprise Performance Management Cloud, EPM, Oracle Project and Portfolio Management Cloud, PPM, okay, and Oracle CRM Cloud, okay. So these many clouds are there. These many different business units are there. But for everything, Oracle Fusion Cloud is the common point. So the customers. So these are the customers. Oracle customers. If one of the customer took enterprise resource planning, one of the customer takes Oracle enterprise resource planning, there is a chance, high chance that the same customer will take human capital management, this CRM, and then supply chain. So let us take community health systems. So community health systems is actually ERP customer initially. After that, they have moved to supply chain and they have moved to human capital management. So the main advantage here is with having a top class products like ERP, supply chain. Once people come to here, they will purchase this product also. So everybody understood. Suppose you went for, I'll tell you in a normal analogy. You went for shopping complex or mall. Everybody know for Forum Sujana Mall, right? In Hyderabad. And here everything will be available. Okay. You went for shopping, you went for clothing store. Okay. Clothing store. So only here clothes will be available. Just like suppose let us take Workday. I'm comparing only Workday with our Oracle HCM Cloud. Oracle Fusion, because it's a forum, it's a huge one is Fusion. Okay, Workday only they can purchase only HCM. Only they can purchase only HCM. But if they want to go for supply chain, there is no option to purchase supply chain because they don't have any products related to supply chain. Only HCM, only Workday is a leader in HCM along with Fusion HCM Cloud. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Suppose if some of the customers like community health system, initially they want to take ERP. ERP means financials, completely financials. and more than financials. Oracle Cloud Financials is different, and ERP is completely more than financials. Okay, enterprise resource planning. They have taken ERP, and they liked this ERP. After that, they have taken supply chain. They liked these two products. So immediately, what they will do? Okay, so these two products are really great. So I'll take HCM also. Okay, like that, people who are really impressed with HCM, they are coming. At the same time, people who came for some other products like ERP and supply chain, after seeing these two products, these two are also cloud products. They are impressed with this performance. Again, they are purchasing human capital management, and they are getting impressed with human capital management. So the individual customers also coming, and some other customers, group customers also coming. So everybody understood here. So individual customers who want only HCM, they are also coming. And group customers, these are the huge customers, big customers. Means they will take ERP, supply chain, financials, and HCM. So 4 products, 4 modules, or you can call it as 4 domains or 4 families. So they are taking, because that much great, means this is having that much great capabilities. On top of that, Oracle is having Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So how many people know Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? How many people know AWS? Amazon Web Services. How many people know Azure? Google Cloud. Okay. So another important thing here is, so HCM for the Oracle or for the Workday, the underlying infrastructure they have taken is AWS. So for Oracle HCM, the underlying infrastructure is coming from again Oracle only, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And the database is also Oracle database only. So because of this, so we don't have, the customer doesn't have to go here and there. So that's why most of the customers are liking to take Oracle Fusion products like Oracle HCM, Oracle CRM, Oracle ERP, something like that. Okay. So till now, any of them have any doubts?
Okay, so I want to ask something. Like, I'm at that stage of my career wherein probably one switch is allowed for the rest of the life. So I want to ask, what module should I really concentrate on and become
Which
like,
modules? Yeah. So everybody clear for this one, right? First of all, why you have to look for Oracle ERP products, Oracle ERP, HCM, or all these things. So first and foremost thing is, if you are not a coding expert, if you don't like any kind of coding, so this is the application for you. You don't have any kind of coding, only configurations would be there. And if you have come from any kind of non-IT background, if you come from non-IT background and you want to switch to IT background, or if you are a HR who are into operations and move towards IT consultant role. Okay. So all these people, you can join to this course. Who can join? Fresh graduates, HR professionals, IT professionals, MBA students, MBA HR, or any graduates. And people want to switch the career. Suppose if somebody is in customer support, finance, or recruiting roles, or admin departments, they can switch their career. And people who are into legacy systems like Oracle e-Business Suite, SAP, and PeopleSoft, so they can also upgrade their career into cloud applications. So these are the people who can join this course. Okay. So, and next, frequently asked questions. Who can learn this course? Anyone can learn this course, and there is no restriction. So people who are in the final year also can learn this course and build their career. So at least if they are in the final year, they can say that this is the project I have done. Even as a final year projects also, you can do the project. project work. So definitely, if you do the job for at least, if you work like every day, there is a job guarantee is there. So there is zero coding, precision proof, and artificial intelligence proof, AI proof, and easy to learn. So compared to any other domain, HR domain, HRMS, or human capital management domain is very easy. But here we are not the human HRs. We are the IT consultants who will do the configurations. So which companies are hiring? So which companies are hiring? Oracle Consulting is hiring, Deloitte, Accenture, Ernst and Young, PwC, Capgemini, IBM, Infosys, and all these companies, and there are so many other companies are also hiring. Okay, so what we will get? So real-time training, I'm having total 16 years of experience and relevant 12 years of experience. So we will provide you 30 end-to-end implementations data, capstone projects data. Okay, so we will in that we can take any 5 implementations projects data. Out of 30 you can choose. Out of 30 you can choose any 5. So these are the data. We will provide you with all the data. Let us take United States. These are the real-time customers. So we will provide you with all the data. This is the data. Okay, you can choose any of the 5 customers data, and you can create the end-to-end project implementation, and you keep those data in the resume, and you can apply for the jobs. Out of 30, you take any of these 5 and apply any of the 3 to 5. So depend upon the experience you are keeping. If you are keeping 5 years of experience, you can keep 5 years, 5 projects. If you are keeping 3 years of experience, keep 3 projects. 4 years, 4 projects. Okay, I'll provide you with 30 implementations projects data. Okay, so if you're having, so for 3 to 5 years, for 3 years of experience, if you're having a real-time experience, 3 to 5 years, 3 to 3 years, people are giving around 12 to 18 lakhs package. Okay, for 3 years of experience, people are giving 12 to 18 lakhs package. For 5 years, 35 to 60 lakhs package. For 5 to 6 years. It depends upon your hard work. It depends upon the requirement. Depends upon the client requirement. So this package, it is suppose if you go to Dubai, that side, you will get even more. This package I'm considering in India. If you go to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Saudi, US, UK, those kind of places, there are so many job opportunities out there. And AI and machine learning can't replace this job. Okay. And from anybody who are from non-IT background, they can easily learn this course and switch to IT background. Or somebody in quality assurance or testing, they can switch to this IT background. Means from QA to functional consultant role. Okay. So does anyone having any questions here in this one? In terms of package, in terms of companies who are hiring this one?
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a career gap of 5 years. Before that, I worked 3 years in Mindtree. After that, I took a personal break. So is it?
Yes, you can
not?
join and you can learn this course, and you can honestly say that I am having a career gap because of my personal issues. If there is an approach that you have to join as a contract to hire position. There are so many contract to hire positions are there. For those positions, they will not consider any kind of career gap. Okay, you can take those jobs initially and you can join as a contractor. Or if you want to join as a permanent employee, that is a different approach. You please call to my number, I'll tell you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So contract to hire positions, you can join with any kind of career gaps also.
Okay.
So there are so many contract to hire positions out there. For them, there is no no restrictions. Anybody can take a job as a contractor with career gap also.
Okay.
And if you go to Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and North Mumbai, and then Kolkata, and then Gurgaon, there are so many job opportunities are there.
Okay.
Trivandrum. And one more thing here is there are so many remote job opportunities are there from US. You can get some of the remote job opportunities, and we can work for them as a freelancer also.
Okay.
So at least first of all, you have to learn the subject, you have to build the subject, and you should have a proper practical knowledge. So once you get the proper practical knowledge, you can definitely go for a real time, means you can definitely go for a permanent employee until you have to juggle over different roles. So until you have a proper experience and you have proper knowledge, you have to do a little bit here and there, small jobs.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
So from my side, team, this is a basic level of demo. Mainly, I focused on why you have to learn or why you have to change towards ERP career, and who can join the human capital management, who can join this one, and now what is the packages and what are the companies people are hiring. And just now you have seen, right, in TCS. Everybody seen, right? So Jade Global, 4 to 8 years. So there are 20 open positions even right now, also just posted 1 week ago. So just imagine, so this is August. So generally hiring will be taken place very high in December, January, February. Okay. December, January, February, they will freeze, they will take so many job opportunities are there. So if you consider the total training period would be around 3 to 4 months. So generally it would be 3.5 months, and 1 month would be grooming sessions. So I'll help you to prepare the resume. I'll help you to prepare the resume, and then I'll take mock interviews. Okay. I'll help you to take mock interviews and all. And I'll help you in Oracle certifications. So there are some certifications would be there. So I'll help you in writing the certifications if you want to do the certifications also. Okay, what are the modules we are going to cover in the training? So these are the modules: core HR, payroll, absence, goal management, profile management, talent review, performance review, succession management, and career development. And this is a technical HDL and basics of technical. So in the technical, OTBI reports, BA reports, HSDL, export and import offering, and all. If you want to do certification, I'll help you in doing the certification. If you do the certification in payroll for at least 2 localizations like US and UK, or US and UAE, or US and Saudi, I'll guarantee you that you will get the job. If you do the certification in payroll in two major countries, one for US and another one for UK. If you do the certification for these 2 countries, I'll guarantee you. I'm not saying any other word. I'm giving you the word guarantee. Because it's very tough, and there are very few people are certified in this payroll. Okay. If you're able to certify in the payroll, or if you're certified in absence management, goal management in these modules, okay, you will have a very good job opportunities are there. But if you get certified in the payroll, definitely you will get the job. Okay. So project implementation. So this we will see later. What are the stages of project implementation stages and all. Okay. In the next demo. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we will be having 3 demo sessions. Okay. Means demo. This today is demo session, and those are the 3 classes. Okay. Those 3 classes, free classes would be there. So after seeing this free classes, we can take any decision and we can pay the fees. So the fee structure. So you can the fees, total fees is 25K. Okay. And most of them are requesting for 2 installments. First installment you can pay 10K, and after 1 month, you can pay 15K. So total in 2 installments, we can pay 25K. Okay. I'm giving you the fee structure is also very reasonable, because I'm providing you the server for 12 months. Because this server is very costly. Generally, outside people, they are for 1 month providing the server, they are taking 2,000 rupees. For 1 month providing the server, they are charging 2,000 rupees. So for 12 months, 24,000 itself is server cost itself. In that you are learning the complete subject and you are getting the server also. Okay. And we are conducting online written tests. Online written tests. Okay. And we will provide you the interview questions also. Okay. Like this. The global HR interview questions. Okay. We will provide you all the interview questions also. Just you have to by heart all these interview questions and you have to explain them in a proper manner. Okay. But I would suggest, first of all, focus on the subject. Focus on the subject, learn the subject properly. And then only go through these interview questions. I will provide you all the documentations, all the documents to crack the interview. But from the beginning itself, you don't focus on the interview questions. Focus on learning the subject, practicing the subject practically. Every day you have to practice the real-time scenarios and you take the screenshots of them so that you can answer the question. And if any question comes also, you can answer that one. Okay. If you start only practicing interview questions, if somebody asks, if some person like me come with a lot of years of experience, he can ask in a different way. At the time, you will get confused. But I will provide you all the interview questions for in each and every module. Okay, and I will conduct online written tests. I have shown you, right? I have shown you all the written tests also, right? So this is the approach. We will conduct written tests. So if anybody gets consistently more than 70%, I'll provide you the server access for free of cost for lifetime. So if you get all the exams more than 70% in my training, I'll provide you the server access for free of cost for lifetime. So everybody understood? And do you have any doubts here?
Okay, this server that you're talking about, it's gonna be shared, is it?
I'm sorry, I'm unable to hear you.
So this server that you are talking about,
Yes,
is it going to be a shared access between all of us?
it is.
So if I make any changes, will others be affected?
Change. I'm unable to hear your voice. Can you speak a little bit loud and clear?
Okay, so what I'm saying is, can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm able to hear you now.
Okay, so this server that you're talking about is going to be a
Yes.
shared resource between all of your students, right? If I make any changes, will others be affected with that?
Yes. If you make some changes, other people also will affect.
Right,
But
that's what I'm
here,
asking.
see, here people will not make changes because we will have 3 servers. I'll provide you with 3 servers, not only one. Okay.
Mhm.
I'll provide you with 3 servers.
Because there may be a situation where multiple guys are working on a similar module.
Yeah, I understood. See, I'll provide you 3 servers. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Sometimes some servers on weekends it will go for downtime. After that, we will get the servers. So once I get the servers, we will immediately provide you the servers. So ET8 is another server. So actually, this kind of servers are really good because even though people are doing that one after 2 weeks, so all the data will get refreshed. So you will get a time to practice again and again. So that is one of the key important feature, right? So how much practice you do, you will get that much confidence, right?
Okay. And my question is still not answered. Like I said, that probably this is going to be the last switch that I make in my career for any change. So, since you are in the industry from a long time, what are the top 2 modules that I should pick up
Okay.
and
Okay.
concentrate
You are
on?
asking about the modules, top 4 modules.
Right.
Yeah, I've told you,
What
right?
are the
So
top two modules I should pick up? Like,
top two modules.
yeah, I mean, top two. One is payroll. I am definitely inclined towards that. What is the other with payroll that I can concentrate more on?
First module you have to focus on core HR. Okay. Payroll is tough. If you want to focus on payroll, well and good. First and foremost thing you have to focus on very strongly is core HR. If some
Okay.
question, if unable to answer core HR means people will not consider you for the job. So core HR is a
Okay.
very fundamental and foundation and basic stuff. After core HR, you can master either payroll, absence, or talent management.
Okay.
Any of these three, or all of these three, or at least two of these three. Core HR, and then absence, and then talent management modules. So these modules. And last, payroll. Because payroll is a huge module and
Mhm.
you have to invest so much time. If within the same time we can complete all these three, or at least
Okay,
okay.
and you've not
So,
mentioned ORC in this for any reason?
so ORC is not part of this training. ORC is not part of this training. Completely, it's a different training. ORC. Oracle recruiting is not part of this training.
Okay.
So
So
if
is
you
there a separate cost for that?
separate,
Is there a separate cost for that, or you
no,
don't train in
actually at
ORC?
this point of time, within 3 months, we cannot cover all the modules. So
Mhm.
only I'm focusing on core HR, absence, talent, and payroll, and this technical.
Okay. But
So
you also train in ORC, right?
yeah, ourselves I'll train, but that is completely different training. It will take 2 months of training only for hours. So that's why I
Yeah, that
cannot
is fine.
focus
Okay.
all of them in one module. So ours is advanced topic, advanced one. First of all, you have to be in the basic core. So core HR, absence,
Mhm.
and talents, and payroll. You
Okay.
have to first master these 4 modules. Once you master these 4 modules, you can go for ORC and OTL. But if you focus on multiple modules at a time, we cannot focus any module
Understood.
because these are very big modules. Big modules, and we cannot complete those modules in 3 months. So what is the complete? What we can achieve in 3 months is we can complete these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 modules. 9 modules along with the technical, and we will see
Okay.
some part of redwood and what we call journeys. Okay, ORC and OTL this is separate one. This is again this is completely different training. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, team. So anybody is having any questions, please let me know. And from Monday onwards, which time is feasible for you for the classes?
Sir, we have already discussed about the classes, right?
Yeah, Anwar, that is fine. For you that is fine. For other people, so depend upon that timings, I can adjust my timings. Okay, team. So you just ping me whichever time is feasible, and based on that we can conduct these 3 classes. Okay. You can reach out to me personally, and you can inform me your timings. So based upon that, I can take a decision. So this
Which are the days that you are conducting the training? 3 days in a week or 5 days in a week? How many days?
5 days
Or
in a
2
week.
days in a week?
5 days in a week. All 5 days, daily 1 hour. Okay. So please reach out to me personally and just message me in this WhatsApp. So everybody knows my WhatsApp number, right? So the same number which you have contacted. So this is my WhatsApp number, 957. This is my WhatsApp number. So based upon most of the review times eligibility means which time is feasible, I can if that is feasible for me, I can adjust the class. So one batch would be around 9:30 in the evening. So if people are ready to join in that batch, that people you can join in the batch. So this is For Anwar, I'm telling you, so 9:30 is fine for you?
Yes, sir. For me and Raj, it's fine. There are other two as well. They were unable to
Yeah,
join because maybe they were sleeping.
Yeah.
I'm here. Aishwarya is here. I
Yeah,
have joined.
Aishwarya is there. Yeah, yeah. Aishwarya is there.
Yeah.
She is my colleague. Okay.
Yeah, actually,
Aishwarya is there. There are other two girls as well. Uh, she messaged me that she was not able to join because she woke up right now. So we are actually five people, maybe, yeah, all together, who would be joining most probably. That's it
okay,
for that timing.
yeah,
Yes.
Anwar, just you talk with all of your team members. So actually,
All right.
till 8:30 I'm having classes, and again I want to take 1 hour break. Or is it 10 o'clock is fine for you? 10 to 11?
That is also fine because Raj is also here and Aishwarya is also here. So three of us are here. So
Yeah, 10 to 11
two
means
are missing.
for me also my kids will sleep, so I can
Hmm.
take the class with peace. Otherwise, my kids will
Mhm.
come and disturb me. So
Hmm.
okay, 10 to 11 for me it is feasible. Okay, for your Dubai batch.
Yes.
Okay, 10
Yeah,
to 11.
Raj. Yes.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah. So we are okay any time after that. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
fine for us.
So night 10 to 11 is feasible for me. Okay. And you go through my videos in the YouTube, please subscribe the channel. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel. A lot of videos I have posted, almost 34 videos I have posted. Today and tomorrow weekend I'll post another 5 to 6 videos. So all my what do you call it, important videos. So most of the interview questions only I'm making that as a video to go through all the videos. Okay, we can subscribe this channel. And you know this how to install the app, right? This is the app link. You just go and click on this Play Store, and you can install that one, and you can download that app, and you can go through the channels also. You can find these videos. So tomorrow I'll create one batch. So let's take from August 4th. August 4th batch. I'll create one course. So in that every class video, I'll update that. I'll update the video in that one. Okay. And one more thing, I'm very much strict in terms of practice. If you don't practice, I'll not allow into the class. I'll give you 1 or 2 days time, but at least you have to compensate those 2 days time. And the third day, you should complete all the 3 days assignments. At least somebody will have some problem like health issues or like office hectic work and all this stuff. I'll give you 2 days of grace time, and by third day you have to complete all the 3 assignments. If you didn't complete 3 days assignments on a consecutive manner, the fourth day you will get messages like this. So last time I called him, but I was busy with some other work. I forgot to talk to him yesterday. I have checked him again. From the last 10 days he is not doing properly. Monday I'll check this person. If he is not doing the assignment, I'll ask them, okay, once you complete the assignment only, you join the classes. So for me, there is no kind of hesitation. If you don't do the assignments, better don't join the class. Better don't join the course itself. For me, that's okay. Even if 4 members are joining, that is more than enough for you. Out of 4 members, people are doing hard work. Definitely, they will get the job. And out of 4 members, 1 person get the job is also 25%. That mouth publicity is more than enough for me. And I know that my content will beat out everybody in near time. In the nearest competition, my content will beat out. So I don't have any kind of fear about other training institutes or other persons. I know what I am. I know what they are. So I don't have any kind of hesitation in terms of assignments. Everybody has to do the assignments. There is no second option for that. Okay. And if you are taking any kind of leave to the class also, you have to inform me before, or at least on that day you are not joining. If you are not joining the class, you have to inform me, sir, because of this reason I'm not joining the class. Okay. This is completely kind of personalized training. Okay.
Pawan sir, one thing, once we are done with the class, we'll get those recordings, right?
Okay, we will get the recordings. Every recording will be uploaded in the app. Automatically, we'll get the recordings.
Okay, in the app.
Yes.
Okay,
in that
okay.
app.
Only in the app, and do we have access to those apps for all the time?
Yeah, you can act. You will be having lifetime access. You can log into the
Mhm.
laptop like this. You enter your phone
Mhm.
number. You will be having
Mhm.
access like this. app.futureprooftrainings.com. You can write the exams in the laptop. You can go through the videos in the laptop. You can go through the videos in the phone, mobile phone, whether it is iPhone or Android, both we are having app.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
So this is how we will be having videos. So exam, suppose you want to write the exam like this. So just attempt if you want to attempt. So this is how the exam would be. I'll write an exam in front of you. What is the function of a legal employer? So this is how you have to write the exam. Because I should not write the exam which I have configured, right? Okay, this is how you have to write the exam. I'm showing. Specific instance of a job. So 25 questions, we'll get one by one like this. So once you are done with this one, you have to click on submit button. Okay. So everybody understood how to write the exams also? Anwar, have you understood?
This exam questions is based on the class that you have taken, or
Yes.
it will be okay.
So it's mostly based upon the class, 70 to 80%, and remaining 20 to 30% completely from the exams, already previous exams, means certifications.
So this question answers are weekly, daily, or at the end of the course.
No. Once the minimum global HR module get completed, the first module, the core
Oh.
HR module get completed, from then onwards, every week we will be conducting minimum 1 or 2 exams.
It means per module it will be there will be a question answer sessions.
Yeah, for each and every module, minimum 5 to 6 exams will be conducted.
Okay.
And
You
after
just
all
mentioned
that training gets completed, we will be conducting exams. Each exam will be having all the modules. So core HR, payroll, absence, talent management, and then all the technical. One exam will be containing all the modules.
okay.
So
Now
we will be
you
having.
were telling about the class timing. You just mentioned that your time is you're free on 10 o'clock only, because your 10 o'clock is 8:30 in UAE, and I have class at 8:30 already booked. So my time is 6 o'clock UAE. It means 7:30 Indian time.
Sorry.
So you just mentioned there is already class going on at 7:30 to 8:30 Indian time for you.
Yeah, actually there is a class, but they are 2 months ahead.
Okay.
So 7:30 to 8:30 there is a class. 6:30 to 7:30 there is a class. So that's why, and again 8:30 to 10 o'clock I want to have some dinner and all that some rest, right? So 10
So
o'clock.
yeah, maybe current right now, if I join your 10 o'clock class, that is 8:30, already it is coinciding with my other class. If I join your course, and then later on when you will restart your class at my suitable time, I can jump on that one, isn't it?
Unable to understand. We can. So what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Nepali.
Nepal. Okay. Okay. So right now the batch is at 10 p.m. IS time, means Indian Standard Time. So if you want to
Okay,
join in that, you can join that batch. Okay.
but I was okay. No problem. I will WhatsApp you about these things.
Okay. Yeah. So we will be having a batch at 10 p.m. IST. You
So
can.
Pavan sir,
Yes.
let me reiterate what he wants to say. So he wants to say he can join it right now, the 10 between 10 to 11. But after this 7:30, the batch what is going on right now, Later on, he can jump into this team and and restart his course. That's what he wants to say.
Sorry, can you
So-
repeat again? I'm able to understand you. Can you repeat again?
Okay, so what he wants to try is say is like right now he can join the batch between 10 to 11, and
Okay.
later on, once the 7:30 and between in the batch which is going on 7:30 to 8:30, he can jump into that batch and he can restart his course. That's what he wants to ask.
Okay, you can join any of the batches again also, no problem.
That's what he wants to try.
You can.
Am I right? Am I right, Anwar? Or the person who was asking?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
It's
you're
not me.
absolutely right.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Am I right, Chandra?
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aishwarya, you can rejoin the batches any number of times. I'm not going to restrict anybody. So again, when the 7:30 batch, new batch starts, you can join our morning batch or evening batches whenever you're having free time. Again, you can rejoin, no problem. So for my main objective is you have to get the job and I have to get the credibility. That's it. So everybody understood, right? So why I'm giving that offer, you can join or rejoin again and again means, so until you get the job, I'll give the training. For me, I don't have any that much problem. For if I tell 10 people or 20 people or 100 people that the effort is same. You can rejoin, no problem. You don't have to pay any single rupee also. Anwar, I have told you the same, right? Earlier also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is correct.
So until you are placed in the particular job, you rejoin any number of times, you get the clarifications, you get the doubt clarified, you practice, and if you go for interviews, if you're unable to answer the questions, again you get me clarified for the particular questions, or you are unable to answer the questions, and all those stuff you get the knowledge from me. I'm ready to share whatever the knowledge I'm having for all of you guys. But it's up to you how much hard work you do. So obviously the job will come for the persons who will do a lot of hard work, lot of committed hard work that is required. And the packages is also minimum 25 to 30 lakhs package. If you go to Middle East side, I think you're all Middle East, right? 60 to 70 lakhs, even more than 1 crore is also there. Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for your time and have a great day. Thanks for
Thank you.
joining the demo session and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.